He'll be alright. You won't hit him. What? Hold who? You are?
That's how I feel.
Tyson, go get the dog.
That's how I feel.
Oh, hold his bum as well, Tyson. You'll break his legs doing that. Crikey. Hold his bum as well, Tyson. Poor putty. You got him properly? Hop out of the way before he... Don't you drop him. Woohoo! Oh my God. Well done, honey.
Thank you.
You alright, honey? I think you might not want to do that again.